What's good, DJ? We back at it, back like we never left. Because technically, I didn't leave. Well, I left the space, but the charts didn't leave me. I'm addicted. It's Wednesday, April 23. The time is currently 1:25 p.m. Let's go. I arrived at my desk at I'll say like 1:20. I'm still eating. I didn't get to eat my lunch because I was preoccupied. I will talk about it in a second. As always, my weekly target is 5%. My daily goal is my 2 bullets. Mental check-in, pretty good. All right. Excited to be here, excited to grow and get 1% better. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. All right, risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. News, we had high impact and medium impact news this morning. We got medium impact news this afternoon coming out at 6. All right, beige book, don't know what that is, don't even care. All I know is we have medium impact news coming out too. So I'll be anticipating a setup post 2 o'clock. Um, Risk going into today is still at 1. All right, my lowest. I took a loss already this morning, so I got one more trade this afternoon in me, and then I'm done for the day on the funded account there. And then we'll demo trade the rest of the week. However that trade, however the next trade pans out, I'll be done on that account for the day. um, yeah, weekly program. I'm in a sell program on a higher time frame. Okay, let's go ahead and review price action. See if anything's happened to change that. Even though this week is looking like it's going up, all right, it's coming. Not this is dollar probably come. Yeah, dollars taking buy side, right? Coming into an inefficiency here. I'm anticipating it to come into the daily, but it doesn't have to. Okay, it can stop in its tracks dead to rights right here. But we have buy side here, so into this inefficiency. So I'm anticipating it higher. Okay. So dollar higher meaning everything should be going lower, right? But dollar is essentially in the bigger picture is trending downwards. This is probably just a retracement into the range, all right, to grab some buy side liquidity and then potentially continue the downtrend or keep going higher, right? Who knows? I don't know. I just let the price tell me right where it wants to go to next. But from right now, for what I can see, all right, this is the draw and potentially up in here into this inefficiency here. MNQ. MNQ. My drawn MNQ currently, okay, is these two relative equal highs here into this inefficiency on the 4 hour. Okay, to fill in this gap right here that we have on the daily time frame. Even though we're overall bearish, all right, we can still get retracements in that price range. I could be wrong in my um program this week, but overall, okay, that's the program we're in, so that's what I'm gonna stick with until price obviously starts to tell me something different. But for now, as far as my current understanding of price action, I think we're coming up here to take buy side and then continue on the downtrend. Okay, it's coming to a 60-day, potentially a 60-day premium. Okay, to continue down. But like I was saying, as far as my current understanding of price action go, nothing's really happened in price to change my weekly program for me. Okay, I'm still in a sell program. Let's go ahead and note any new key highs and lows from the morning session. As you may noticed, DJ. What? Anyway, as you may have noticed, setup's a little different. Okay, setup's a little different. Like for the past couple of days, I've been noticing on my phone. I mean, I had it. I don't know why I went away from seeing the 5 minute time frame. My entry time frame was the 1 minute and the 5 minute. Okay, and then at some point between this journey, I need to go back and see when I took it off because I remember when I took it off. At some point on this journey, I took off the 5 minute to focus on the 1 minute, 50 minute, and the 1 hour. But while I'm back testing, obviously I always look at the 5 minute time frame as well as every other time frame that you see here, plus the higher time frames. And I've been noticing that the 5 minute time frames have been so nice. Like they've been like on point. Like they've been like if the 1 minute is not giving me a clear up, the 5 minute is like yes. And it's like it's a higher time frame than the 1 minute, so it's cleaner. All right. Obviously, I'm still gonna take losses on the 5 minute, but me and the 5 minute, we're starting to rebuild our relationship. We're really starting to rebuild the relationship that we had. I don't know where we fell off or what went wrong, but I'm glad I kept in touch. Okay, and now I'm starting to see what I need to see on it. So we're back to building that relationship. So yeah, 5 minute is back on the board. Okay, I'm happy for you. 5 minute. Welcome back to the family. We missed you. Okay. Yeah. So M1, M5 will be my entry timeframes. Okay. Um, let's let me just get let me hold on, pause. Before I go into the highs and lows, we'll get to that. Okay. This is somewhat important. All right. So let me just prove to not prove, but like DJ, let me let you know why the 5 minute is back on board, right? From this morning. I obviously after the news, we had the M1 set up here. We also have a seconds chart trade in here, but that's not our portion yet. We had the 1 minute, but let's look at the 5 minute though. Let's look at the 5 minute. Same buy side. I'm gonna have to start syncing them now, innit? I wish I could just like sync on. Well, it's okay. I guess it won't show on where it doesn't need to show. But 5 minute has its thing there anyway. Buy side here, all right. Swing high, displacement back below it. All right. Fourth candle is involved in the fair value gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fair value gap right there. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I saw this while I was sitting outside enjoying the breeze at lunch. Not eating. I'm still not eating. I get so like when I'm so into this thing, I don't know, it's bad, but like everything is secondary. It's really bad, but like I barely even eat once I get involved in the charts. It just consumes all my time. Like even if I'm hungry, the hunger will disappear, literally, and I won't eat. I'm so happy. PM session kicking off. Sorry, I'm talking in my mouth with DJ. I'm so sorry, but I'm not sorry. Yeah, as you can see, beautiful, beautiful. M5 back in business, baby. M5 back in business. And as you can see, all right, turnaround point still effective. The fib extension still effective here. Okay, this was the trade from the morning post the news. All right, it was much cleaner on the 5 minute time frame, as you can see. All right, even though it was clean on 1 minute. Okay, I was really stuck on this trade there. I was just fixated on this trade and not paying attention to actually we were in post news and then we're anticipating a sell. But anyway, lunch session, okay, we had a nice setup as well that you'd be obviously reducing risk on right now on the 5 minute time frame. Also 1 minute as well, but cleaner on the oh, this was a 1 to 3 and this would have been one negative one, would have been a little bit over 1 to 2. 2.5, I believe was. But this is what I want to see here. Yeah, you would be at 50%, which is close to your entry there. 1, 2, 3. No, your entry will be here. And you'll be here. So you would have reduced the risk already. But 5 minute coming to play. Welcome back. We missed you for real. Um, but yeah, beautiful, beautiful setup. And 1 minute as well. We also had the setup on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's not what I want. See? Entry would have been here on the 1 minute. Stop right here. Into here still. Yeah, you'll be reducing risk there. But this is swing high here. That's one thing I'm testing right now, actually, DJ. Is the swing highs when there's like multiple swing highs. There's a swing high here. Am I taking the exits based on this swing high or based on this swing high? You feel me? Obviously, this was the 5 minute one. But 1 minute, I guess, would be this swing high. This would have been a 5 minute. Obviously, no 1 minute. You'll be taking something off there. Round up over two. On the 1 to 2, but still something, right? Oh, let me see the ticks. Wise. Yeah, still something. Maybe at least you'd be taking something off. So still be making money either way, regardless. So yeah, tinking, tinking, tinking. Here you'd be at 50%. But yeah, no, 5 minute is back. 5 minute is back. 5 minutes back. Anyway, let's go ahead and note the key highs and lows there. I didn't forget that. As I mash up my oxtail. Five minutes. I'm back, baby. Anyway, yeah, PM session buy side. No. I mean, I said PM session. I mean AM session buy side. Sorry. The AM session buy side. Lunch hasn't been confirmed. Neither on the sorry, I don't care about 5 minute. I'll see it, but like I'm not basing it off that. 50 minute, 1 hour. Below price. We have AM session sell side on the 1 hour here. Sorry. Yo. You can see on the 15 minute is different. So 15 minute, the low is here. Which is what that trade was about there. Okay, we just come into the 15 minute sell there. Buy side, swing high. 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles in the Beverly gap. All right. Could be a sell here on the 15 minute time frame. Below that, okay, we got the AM session on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and then we got our usual from the morning. We got London, Asia, and the remainder of this new day, no day, open range gap. And then we still have, so between this point here and this point, because of this, there's literally no trading that's going on. So I'm anticipating this is a likely draw for me on price down in here because of this gap. So yeah, anticipating price come down here. So looking for a way for price to give me a chance to jump on board on that train down there, and that's what I'm looking for this PM session. This could just be a retracement, like I said, into the 15-minute, and obviously on the 5-minute, the setup cleaner there. We've got to a turnaround point. This is also a turnaround point. Doesn't have to get to -1. Don't delete my shit. Back at London session buy side there. But now, welcome back, M5. I missed you, not gonna lie, I missed you, M5. You're like, you can see the whole chart on M5 is clean. When the setup is there, it's clean. As long as obviously time. It's not just today too. Like I've been back like a couple weeks and it's been nice, man. It's been nice, and I'm really like I'm happy that I have it back. It's back on the board for me. I'm really happy it's back on the board for me. It's not perfect, just like any other time frame. It's not perfect, but hey, it fits for me. So we're back. So with that, some of them. Brrr. Sell site sitting right below there. But it doesn't have to go there, It just be an enticement, and it can come to it a later day. Doesn't have to do anything today. Sorry if you can hear me smacking, DJ. It is what it is. I wish I could offer you some. What do you call them things? This is a mukbang. 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 Where the fuck the shit is called? This ain't about trading. This is game streaming and mukbangs, baby. I ain't trading up in here. The mukbang trading edition. But yeah, this morning just confirmed everything that I already know. And even though I was offside, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. The future is looking bright for me. Oxtail. What the animal is that? Is it an oxtail? Like the name suggests? An ox's tail? I know there's beef though, right? I prefer the bony part, the parts on the bone than the actual meat side. Oh, let me upload this morning's session on the tube. I'm trying to, be up to date on that. And I'm posting these on here for myself. And if somebody just happens to watch it and finds value in it, bonus. Also, if you guys watch it and you want to give me that ad rev, that's a bonus for me too. Nothing wrong with a little bit of extra income. We need that multiple streams of income. Why did it say processing? This one's happening right now. Now, what should I caption that one, guys? Launch has been confirmed in the 15-minute there. Stay 3, 5. Young session. Let's put another day at work. Mm, that wasn't that kind of day. Let's put learning from losses. Yeah. That best encapsulates the morning session for me, really and truly. Tired, man, tired. I want you to fly, I want you to fly. Miss I will lie with me. Wish she could die with me. It could still be valid this trade here and keep going up. You'd be at 50, you wouldn't have like closed the trade out or anything. There in the corner, sit yourself there. Oh, shit. Your stop loss would just be here. Still would be in this trade, waiting for it to hit partial and negative one. But you can still turn around here too. It's just wait and then the seeing game, you know what I'm saying? It's a wait and then the seeing. But lunch confirmed on the it's about to be confirmed in 4 minutes will be confirmed on the will be confirmed on the 1 hour as well. I've been drunk that much water today. Thank you for feeding me, Oxtail. Appreciate it. You want me to take this meat out of my teeth? Had to floss real quick. Lunch, probably gonna stay there. Same in line with the AM session on the 1 hour. Buy side, we're waiting to see. It's confirmed on a 15-minute for sure. Less than 2 minutes on the 1 hour there. Come up to one, then come down. They're the same. We have a buy up here on the 5 minute. Step up to 50. Also, I would say that I was just a little bit, I need to focus on the chart and not be too much on the phone, right? I was playing a game during the market hours. Cool. But sometimes it just candlesticks be doing nothing, man. I be needing something to entertain myself. for a game tonight. Love it. Sell there. Believe me, you go, oh, you. Asylum will be your best friend. You go turn patient for asylum too. Oh, for you, baby. I am baby. Open range about to be confirmed on the 15-minute. Taking open range buy side there. Confirm this fair value gap here. I'll be interested in that. Believe me, you got over you. Now side, I'm gonna be your best friend. Order filled. Tagged in 219. Six, 8, 7, 5. 50 to make 132. A little bit over 1 to 2 in it. Auto field. Y'all getting a buy here too. You have lunch right above price, so reduces this trade probability. That's the risk we take in it. I'm gonna hear it anyway. Auto field. Believe me, you go by you. Not asylum, gonna be your best friend. You got time patience for asylum. Up for you, baby. I am man. All right. Getting another sell here. Was below price. Open range sell side. AM session sell side. Launch session sell side. But not at move riskier anyway. 9150. If you leave me, you go up by you. Now asylum go be your best friend. You go turn patients for asylum too. Oh, oh, you baby. I am baby. Oh. All right, so always reduce risk time 50 to 70 right there. And then we'll leave it alone. It's in a cell, it's a cell set up here. So we're following that now. Even though we had lunch, I've seen enough to know that sometimes it takes it, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it leaves it and then comes back for it later. Sometimes this would be a trap. It still could be a trap. But at this point, I've reduced risk to like $4 now, 450. So if it's a trap, it's all right. It won't be like, taking my arm, we'll be taking a finger, I guess, a nail. Now asylum go be your best friend. You go turn patient for asylum too. Oh, for you, baby. Ah, I didn't even see that. I am, baby. Right side, displacement, marker structure shift. Let's see if it leaves this fair value gap on the 5 minute here. We have open range sell side. We have lunch session sell side, which is also in line with 1 hour AM session. What's the road on this one? Up for you, baby. Drink some agua because I ain't been drinking a lot of agua today. Came close to that stop though. I'm surprised they didn't take us out. Look at that. Came real close to that stop. I'm surprised I didn't hear that auto field though, but that's wild. Madness. Kiss that. It like blew a kiss to the stop loss there. Like, I see you, baby, but you you got me this time. Order filled. Thank you. Just shy of 1 to 3. TP1 smashed. Okay, let's see. Right now you'd be moving to break even, which is in close proximity to where 50% is anyway. And then obviously let's see what else this trade will offer us. M15 is confirmed. M5 is confirmed is sell side. Inefficiency there. Sibi. Siri, I didn't say shit to you. Why are you trying to listen to my conversation? So nosy, that girl. Woken up the day with a scratch. I just say the next trade tomorrow how it pans out. That's it. So that's my P&L for the day. Goodbye. You are the weakest link. Goodbye. 5 minute trade there. Give you information that yes, we want to go lower. Or should keep that CB should keep price lower. Oh, for you, baby. I am baby. My PM session will be done by right now. Well, if until I can, get some runners, set them, but that'll be done really and truly. That trade would allowed me a little bit more room, more wiggle room to put more contracts. That's 6. Make I just lose my mind. Oh no. The way you make I love you too much. I swear, if you leave me, you go. Mm. Up for you, baby. Mm. Look like it's gonna be a slow creep down, isn't it? Till it starts running. Yeah. Oh. Mm. Taking open range sell side there. Can cheat codes. Do something. Do something. It's not gonna kiss it twice in a row now, is it? Nothing on the 5 minutes, just a M1 starter. More prone to be wrong than that on that time per minute. It's not gonna do it twice in a row now. Don't get your hopes up. Do something. Do something. No way. Jose, no way, Jose. Do something. Do something. Yeah, mate. This is mastery right here. I'm just kidding. I'm not there. Once again, came to kiss the stop. But you're like, you're lucky. Once again, you got if they're like, once again, you got me. I can't go beyond that point. How did you know? 2 and 3 is what I'm looking for. Oh, It'll be easier if I just click that and just check the low of this. The one is 2.5, 4.825 is 2.8. It didn't go through it, so it's not all set up there. Are you gonna reduce risk me, please? Thank you. Right there, we reduce the risk. If it allows us to. Do something, do something. Yeah, if it allows us to, it might not allow us to. Yeah. Sometimes my hand just do things too quick, you know. Oh, if you guys want to know what game I'm playing, it's called 3D Screw or some shit like that. Cube out 3D something. Oh, hold on. Cube out 3D jam puzzle. It's all right. Something to do in it. Going out the woods here. Do something. Do something. Thank you. Five minute, 5 minute, 5 minute moving to 8% will still be at the same right now. Why? It's gonna be like a rule against clearly you can see they don't give a fool. Time minute. Time and then price. That wasn't gonna sell. Yeah. I guess it will have to be like news will have to be there, right there. We have sell side and there's one encouragement and sell side. -2 got smashed there. 5 minute, 14.25. Yep, 5 minute will be moving to reduce the risk there, which is at the same point as the entry, really and truly. So be at break even, really. Do, do, Wow. 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 You cannot make this shit up. They gave me 3 blue screws. Like, I don't have blue. That is a madness. They're just trying to set me up to fail right now. They want to see me fail. They want to see me fail. Gonna give them the satisfaction of that. What? Do you know who I am? Hmm? It was told to download inbox. No, no. Original ganja planta. Oh, he gives it to me. Time and price, time and price. I'm here. I'm here. Not much happening right now. This trade still going on, okay? Would have took something off here at -2. I probably would have just left it at break even. I'm thinking to just leave it at break even until maybe 3. I don't know. Maybe 2, move to 0. 2 here. What a trade, though. What a trade. Kissed the stop loss too, like blew a kiss to it and said, "Yeah, I'm about to go." Ooh, don't like that number. Switch it up. Give me something else. Give me something else. Give me something else. Bought a trade. I cannot wait to have runners just capitalizing on all of this bad boy. Time, right? Time here. This trade here, time, and then price. And this wasn't really a trade either. What a trade, even on the 5 minute too. 15 minute was just happened to be the sell coming into the CB on the 15 minute there. And, ooh, we good. Arr. A 5-minute trade taking something off. One for the road. One last one for the road there. Why not? Oh, snap, crackle, and pop. Should move to here. But if it tags me in, then yeah. If it doesn't, let's see. Move to here. Let's see. It might be gone without me, really and truly. It missed me. I was too busy. I was too busy. This is gonna be like yesterday's one again, isn't it? But this time I was ready for it. I didn't move it. I just wasn't paying attention. Oh, that's mad funny. It just never wants me to regret on this time. Actually, it was my fault. I wasn't even looking at the price action. Was too busy texting. It's all good. We can tape read it, right? Oh, shit. It's about to give me another opportunity. Brr, fuck anybody who came with you. I guess it was a sign when it was like, yeah, I'm going without you. Don't get in here. Lunch session getting liquidated. Liquidated. Okay, now, mate. Couldn't say the fucking word. Below price, okay, we have London session sell side and we have consequent encouragement of the opening range gap. What a trade though, from the morning to the PM. Just a continuation, 2 down days. Mhm. And then lunch gets some retracement. PM continues the downtrend. Pro trend trades, we love it. What a beauty. -2 is in close proximity to consequent encouragement, so that's where I'm anticipating price to get to. -4 standard deviation smashed. What a trade. One for the books, man. One for the books. Took my -1 and I was done. All right, and look at the rest. Ah, cannot wait. Stop playing with me. Leveled all the fuck up. sell here. Well, I'm done for the day, really and truly. I'm diggy done. Done up. I. We'll tape read it. It's okay. I don't need to be in there. Do your thing. I don't need to be in all of them. You'll be tagged in there. Hello. Would be tagged in there, like swimwear. Now let's see if it gets to anywhere interesting in terms of reducing risk. Or do I take profit? Or I could just turn around like it's doing now. Tape reading. Move it to the side just so we can pay attention to the price. Bacon lunch session sell side there. A what? 1 to 3. Then show another cell. I won't get enough. Nothing wrong with a bit of tape reading to end the day. Another cell right here. Tape reading builds character, you know? Knowing you can get in a trade and not getting in it. I want to see this BC down here, keep price higher. Let's move this way now. One for the road. One last one for the road. From here, we knew that this was the buy side, this was a draw, and this was the draw. Potentially to in here. It doesn't have to get there today. Above price, what do we have? Any efficiency, no inefficiency, oh, just this, really, but nothing really on to appeal to lunch buy side. 350 macro about to kick off soon. Might not be onto anything really and truly. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wasn't even looking there. Partial right there would be at, stop would be moved. Oh, no, no, no. Stop would be at 50, which was technically close to entry. Above the entry, so it'll be a break even. Oh, let's undo that. I want to see what the risk to reward is. My 1 to 3 there. One last one for the road. Going to this one, took a loss. No worries. Gave us another. We obviously had. It's the same thing that happened here, right? It could have took this. Oh well, yeah. It could have took this. Oh, this was already engaged in, right? But it left this one. It could have. It could have went from here too and left this one down here. That was fresh. That was fresh too. Interesting. But anyway, yeah, that was the last one for the road. Nice. Anyway, our losses would have made up for our wins. Our losses would have made up for our win. Our wins would have made up for our losses on this afternoon session. Anyway, we have 5 minutes set up here. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 5 minutes set up here. If it confirms this fair value gap here, I'll be a 5 minute buy. Market structure shift there. Above here we have lunch session buy side. We also have PM session buy side, but PM session, yeah, so that's be done in 8 minutes. Mm. 5 minute confirmed there. One last one for the road. All right, let's do a trade performance review. Let's do a trade performance review. All right, 5 minute. Ooh, wee. Would be a huge flop too, because we have literally sell side and consequent encouragement right down here. But it doesn't have to get there today. One minute, we'll go your TP1 already. -1, they make it to -2. Not yet anyway. If it gives us a busy in here, it'll be like this one and then. But yeah, what I did well today is that I showed up. Okay, I got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons. Okay, gained experience that nobody can take from me, like I keep saying. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much what I did well today. Showed discipline in following my model. All right, getting in and getting out. I said I have one trade this afternoon. I took that one trade. It just happened to have had a positive outcome. If I was done either way, if it was a negative outcome, I would have been done, and I was done. So I showed discipline there and not wanting to get back and trade more. All right, in that account, funded account, in the combined account. Yeah, so where I fall short would be still, obviously, I'm obviously still distracted. All right, I haven't been giving the market my full attention because sometimes markets ain't doing jack shit, and I just can't stare at blank freaking paint dry sometimes, but still, I still need to be aware and I'm paying attention to price. And obviously, I took a trade here, even though it was in the demo. Yeah, time and then price, right? Post 215, fair. Yeah, it just didn't pan out, but obviously time as well plays a huge important part. Not all setups are equal. Okay, depend on the time, right? Will depend on will increase or decrease probability of the trade. But yeah, so if I had to pull out something I fell short would be that this trade here, there was nothing, was post 315 micro. Obviously, I knew that there was a sell side below price, so but then here there was a buy side above price, and I still didn't wait. So nah, but pick and choose. Yeah, I decided that even if there is sell side liquidity right below it and it gives me a sub, I'm gonna get in. And if it takes me out, I understand. I obviously wanted to go to the lower one or the higher one, regarding whether it was a buy or sell. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, nothing really other than that. Nah, I don't think I fell short anywhere else, really and truly. But from what I just said, how I can improve for next day, next trading session, is keep sticking to the model procedures and protocols. Welcome back, 5 minutes to the board. Welcome back, welcome back. We missed you. Um, Showing us some nice setups too as well. So we love that. Should stay below that there. Anyway, we'll update this trade, well, this update tomorrow. All right, now look at it overnight, well, on my phone and see what's going on. But other than that, keep following the model, keep following the procedures and protocols that you have set in place. Keep being disciplined, okay, and sticking to what you say you're gonna do and your plan. All right. Yeah, other than that, you're doing great. You starting to understand market structure and stuff on a higher time frame. This was the one when I was sell there playing out, 15-minute sell playing out. Okay, we do have inefficiency here, a gap here. So there's a huge bullseye on price to come here and trade into here. The algorithm remembers, hey, I left a gap here. Something's itching. It's gonna like the meat. It's gonna come back and itch it. All right. So this is my draw on liquidity from up here. It was, consequent encouragement initially. Well, we have London sell side above it, consequent encouragement. So it might not get to consequent encouragement. And it doesn't have to. It can turn literally right here on the 5-minute trade here and continue higher. But yeah, but other than that, I'm proud of myself. I'm pleased with my performance. Okay, it's only up from now, from only up from here. All right, I'm only gonna keep leveling up and keep growing and keep progressing. But I'm on the right track, taking the right steps in the right direction. So I'm happy, man. Can't complain. That's it for me this afternoon, DJ. Tomorrow, what time is our news? Wrong chart. Tomorrow's Thursday. We have high impact news coming out 8:30 and then 10 o'clock, medium at 10:30. Okay, so should expect something here at the 10 o'clock. All right. So yeah, we'll be here kicking off at 9:15. All right, another brilliant day of price action, watching price great growing and learning, gaining experience. It's just I'm just in awe. Like recently, I just be in awe because like everything is just compounded. That 1% every day, that 1% every day. You're gonna hit a certain point where it's just all of it's gonna compound and it's gonna hit you like floodgates. Okay, it may seem like you're not getting anywhere, even though you're showing up and you're trying to get 1% better. You're seeking that excellence. All right. It may not. Some days you feel like you're knocking your head against a wall, but just keep going. All right, keep going because it's gonna compound. It's gonna compound, and one day it's gonna slap you in the face. You won't even know what the fuck is going on. You're gonna become a beast. All right. So yeah. Still a lot to learn. Okay, I haven't hit my pinnacle yet. All right, I haven't hit my pinnacle. This is just the beginning of the journey, and the progression is crazy for it to not the beginning of the journey, obviously, because I've been on this journey for a while. Just that 4 years is compounding, right, to the point I'm at right now. So I'm happy. I'm happy. Walking out the day with a scratch. All right, $12 down on a day. I'll take that any day. Thank you. Thank you. I now know what I'm looking for. The markets, you can't get me. I'm gonna take losses, but my wins are gonna outweigh my losses. Look at that. That's all the way to -4 right there. Bing bang, biggity bosh. Bob is your uncle. Anyway, we out, man. I'm out. I'm out this bitch. DJ, I'll catch you tomorrow. All right, tomorrow's Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. We'll be back at 8 tomorrow at 9:15. All right, that will be it for me today. Goodbye. Adios. Cha cha. Toodaloo. Toodaloo. Anyway, as always, I'll catch you tomorrow. And DJ, happy hunting.